Ant, you're recording? Perfect. Welcome back to another gorgeous day here in New York City. I am Vincent Basile from Rad Boardsport Company. We're at the Washington Park in Brooklyn, New York. Forget about it. Episode 17, welcome to it. It is the Rad Skatepark Check-In New York City edition. Getting in every single skate park in New York City, showing you all the features, and that's it. Yo, we got people here today to skate with us. We got Tristan Maldonado. Damn. Tristan Maldonado, my boy. And we got BUDDAH. And we brought out Gustavo, trying to get him out here on his physical therapy and back to skateboarding. Let's get in here and show you the Washington Park. We are now in the park and we have a feature that I've never really seen in a park before, a little garden box. Carnival for sure. We're at the Brooklyn Skate Garden, I guess. I'd like to see some plants in here, or maybe a hand plant, I don't know. Planter box, made for skateboarding. Bench, looks to be about like 1.5 feet wide, probably 1.5 feet high. Not your smallest box or bench, but there it is. Moving right along, here's a curved rail. I've seen one of these before in Long Island, actually at the Smithtown Rail Park and the N.Y.C. Skatepark. Check out those episodes, but it looks rad and dangerous. Guys, check out this feature, also at the N.Y.C. Skatepark in Long Island. It's like a quarter pipe on this side and a barrier on the other side.
Very New York. Brick and you got the barrier.
Like a dugout bench. Yeah. It's recycled curb, so you know what that means. Smooth.
Like butter.
Slide all day. There it is though, your dugout bench.
Put me in, coach.
There's a few other recycled curb things here. I'm gonna show you the next one. It's a fun box. Now we're at the fun box. Manual pad, fun box that is also recycled curb, and it looks amazing. Oh, man down. Guys, no, we didn't see it. I didn't see it. It's all love. You know, scooter or skate, I don't hate, because I don't care. Back to business, guys. Right in the center of the park, let's call it a fly box, and it's also connected to 2 fun boxes. So now it's extended fun box, recycled curb, same exact thing we just showed you, and there it is. Can you guys believe it? We already ran through the obstacles here, but flat ground area, get back to the basics, brush up on your tricks, and then build on top of that. It all starts with the foundation. No one's gonna bother you. No one cares that you're a beginner. If you're a beginner, please come out. We want to skate with you guys. Don't be shy. Just get out there and have fun. We've all been there. We all start somewhere, right? So come on out and shred with the big boys and the big girls. So let's stack some clips. That's what we're here to do, guys. We're gonna get to skateboarding. See what clips we generate today. Count them up, guys.
Tristan, good shit. Good shit.
I like that one. You called it. Thank you.
I'm Lauren.
Vinny.
Nice to meet you.
Anthony.
Anthony. Hi, I'm Lauren Michelle. I'm P. Spliff's mom, Mama Spliff. And you're at MS 51, Washington Skate Park. Behind me is the Life is Beautiful mural that's dedicated to Pablo, P. Spliff. We are the Pablo Ramirez Foundation and the Brooklyn Skate Garden, and we're looking to create the most innovative, inclusive skate park in Brooklyn to create sustainability, art, music, and a way for everyone to come together full of love, positivity. This Life is Beautiful mural is dedicated to Pablo, and his poem, Don't Fret, is inspiring us to come together as a community, live life more with purpose, and be free without judgment. Life is beautiful. Peace and love.
Cruising. That's it. Ride all day.
That's a mom skating, so.
Hell yeah.
We love it.
All right.
Ripping. Thank
Hey,
you.
you got your trick.
It didn't.
He's going back for more. Life is beautiful, brother. Life is beautiful. Remnants.
I'm done skateboarding today.
No, he ain't.
Not today, forever.
Yeah, but
He hung it up.
Nah, he got another board in the car. He's lying.
He's scoop hooting now. He's got another board right here.
Set it. What? Yo, comment in the section if he should set up his board.
daylight saving time says
Oh, look, his board's right there.
negative.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another rad board.
Damn.
Yo, we need some bev. Yo, Vin, skate to the store and get some bev.
What?
With the Heelys.
In the Heelys. Are you done, Vin? Oh, yeah.
Very earthy and very. Nah, I ain't gonna say. I was gonna say, watch out for the acorns, the little sticks,
Rocks, twigs,
little rocks,
twigs.
little kids, you know,
Kids.
scooters, bikers, wheeliers, you know. The wheeliers are here. They out. Yeah.
Well, we gave you the ground report. We came to Washington Park. We showed you the features. I skated like doo-doo. Whatever. It happens. Thank you, Gustavo. Thank you, Tristan. Thank you, Buddha, for coming through. Just wanted to say shout out to the Pablo Ramirez Foundation. Shout out to the Brooklyn Skate Garden, what they're doing here. Bringing the community together. That's what we're all about. We like that. Lauren, Mama Spliff, thank you. Mural for Pablo. It's beautiful. It was rad coming down to this park. It was very small. Everyone was super friendly. Fortunately, we're cutting out. The sun's going down super early. Broke my board because I have anger problems. It's just not my day, but we still have an episode for you guys. If you guys like the merch that you see us wearing, you can find that at www.radboardsport.co. You could also find us on Instagram at radboardsportco. Facebook, also on Tinder.
No. Subscribe.
Oh yeah, that's right. We're not on Tinder or Grundle.
I'm on Tinder. Grundle?
Listen, if you like the video, hit that like button. Please subscribe to our channel if you like the content. If you guys are skateboarders and you want to know all the parks that are around you, hit that notification button and we'll alert you guys. Thank you for all the viewers that continue to watch our videos. We appreciate you guys. Unfortunately, I ride half days, you know, not ride all day, but it is what it is. Shout out to everyone. Thank you. We're out of here. It's time for some Brooklyn food.
Capiche?
Sauce and some pasta fagioli, all that good stuff. Ride all day. Paris, say bye.
Later, bro. We'll see you in another episode, you know? Hopefully my boy won't be out here breaking boards, snapping boards, going crazy, turning red in the face, veins in that forehead. Really going crazy, dude, like wild.
Man, I hate skateboarding.
But man,
I love it too.
New York Street Talk, America's best.
Show I'm not new to this, I'm true to this.
Just say it, bro. Whatever's on your mind.
no.
Long Street Park.